In this video, you'll learn how to change eBay currency from dollars to pounds. By following these steps, you will successfully update the currency displayed when browsing eBay listings. Begin by visiting the official eBay website and signing in with your account credentials. Enter your email address or username along with your password to access your account dashboard. Once you are logged in, navigate to your account settings or preferences section. This area contains options related to location, payments, and display preferences, which are essential for adjusting your currency settings. Next, look for settings related to location or regional preferences within the account preferences section. Currency options are typically linked to the selected country or marketplace region. To proceed, change your location to the United Kingdom if you wish to have prices displayed in pounds. The system will automatically update the marketplace settings to reflect this change. Some users may prefer to browse directly through the eBay UK website to ensure that listings display prices in the correct currency. After updating your regional settings, refresh the page or revisit the product listings to see the changes. Prices should now appear in British pounds instead of US dollars. It is advisable to browse several listings to confirm that the currency has changed successfully. If the change does not appear immediately, consider clearing your browser cache or reopening the website. Using the correct regional marketplace usually resolves any currency display issues. It is important to note that depending on your internet speed and the size of your browser cache, these changes may take a moment to reflect. If you encounter persistent issues, verifying your internet connection can also be beneficial. Ensuring that you are connected to a stable network will facilitate a smoother experience while browsing eBay. That wraps up today's guide on changing eBay currency from dollars to pounds. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.